How to change icons on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for the app icon that you want to change. For instance, I will search for Instagram icon and then go ahead and save the icon that suits my preference the best. You can do the same. Now, once you have saved the icon for your app, go ahead and open Shortcuts on your device. Shortcuts is an inbuilt app of iPhone, so just in case if you don't have the app, you can open App Store and search for Shortcuts and download the app further. Once downloaded, go ahead and open the app and make sure you are on the Shortcuts tab and then tap on the plus icon on the top right of your screen. You will see the Open App option. Tap on that and then tap on the App option. Now, select the Instagram option here and then tap on the Share icon on the bottom toolbar. You will see the option for Add to Home Screen. Tap on that and further select the image icon you see there and then tap on the Choose Photo option and further choose the image that you just saved from your preferred browser. Once done, tap on the Add option on the top right of your screen and then go ahead and rename the shortcut to your app name. And with this, as you can see, the shortcut has been created with the new app icon. So this is how you can change icon on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.